The newest humanoid robots launch production of the Hyundai walk-in cars, unusual robots for Kawasaki warehouses, racing robots, barista robots, and other latest robots of 2022 in today's one episode. Elon Musk isn't the only one who believes in a future with humanoid robots. The development of humanoid robots is underway around the world, and this year we saw several new options. Recently, the humanoid robot TOCABI has made its debut at the Ameca Avatar X Prize competition. The robot was created by an interdisciplinary team of scientists from the Dynamic Robotics Systems Laboratory at the Seoul University and the Industrial Design Group at the New Jersey Institute of Technology. The robot is 1.8 meters tall, weighs 100 kilograms, and the joints have 33 degrees of freedom. TOCABI uses a torque system control that determines where it needs to move before calculating and controlling the required energy for the engines. This approach is much safer for human interaction with a robot than traditional control methods used on industrial manipulators. Potentially, TOCABI has many applications, from rescue robots to work avatars and other heavy and dangerous jobs. At CES 2022, which we've talked about many times on this channel, the robot beomni 1.0 by Beyond Imagination debuted. The developers claim that their robot is the world's first full-featured robotic system of general purpose, allowing high-precision remote work from anywhere in the world. With like a human-like body and opposable thumbs, the robot can take a pinch of salt or lift a weight of up to 16 kilograms in each hand. Over time, researchers expect beomni to evolve from a robot avatar to a fully autonomous machine. It's also reported that the robot has an artificial intelligence that allows it to learn through the details that are kept secret by researchers. Beomni can work from its replacement battery from 4 to 8 hours, and in addition, can overcome low curbs, move through snow, sand, and dirt. Also at CES 2022, the robot Ameca from Engineered Arts, which shared with attendees the incredibly realistic facial expressions. The modular robot is not yet able to walk, but the company is working on it. But the artificial intelligence development engineers left to a third-party stakeholder. We've talked in detail about the robot and the platform on which it was created, and you can find that issue here at the link in the tip. But it wasn't just a humanoid robot that surprised us this year. Hyundai, last month, announced the launch of the production of its concept standalone 4x4 car with robotic legs. The Tiger and Elevate models will be manufactured at the new Hyundai Ultimate Mobility Vehicles plant with a surface area of 1,400 square meters. The Elevate concept was first introduced at CES in 2019. The rover can not only ride, but also walk on rugged terrain, climbing and descending on rocky slopes. 4 electronically driven wheels are fitted on robotic legs with multiple hinges, allowing them to bend and rotate at different points. The Tiger concept, introduced last year, is a smaller truck for remote management and potential applications in space exploration, mining, logistics, and construction. Tiger will be made of composite materials, with part of those parts printed on a 3D printer. Hyundai will first work on translating the Tiger concept into reality and then move to a larger Elevate capable of translating people into the cabin. The company stated that the Elevate will be created to deal with the difficult road situations and potentially save lives by first responders to natural disasters. Kawasaki Heavy Industries presented at IREX 2022 in Japan and has proposed an even more interesting concept for the transportation of people and goods. Robot Goat Bex became the company's first 4-legged robot. He can walk across rough terrain, carry a weight of up to 100 kilograms on his back, or carry a person. While the 4-legged Boston Dynamics and Anybotics are designed primarily for factories, the Bex is designed for field conditions, namely agriculture. It's also interesting to note that the Capricorn robot is a transformer. He can kneel and move with the built-in wheels, covering long distances on smooth roads. The robot can be controlled with a tablet, built-in control panel, or as a horse, turning the steering wheel in the direction the robot needs to go. Judging by the sluggishness of Bex so far, the robot is still at an early stage of development. However, Kawasaki is relentlessly developing its robotics direction, including humanoid robotics, which we've described in more detail, and you can find that here at the hint. Another interesting novelty of the year was the 2-wheeled robot Diablo from the team Direct Drive Tech. featured at the International Exhibition ICRA 2022. Lightweight, fast, stable, and maneuverable, and able to overcome obstacles, the robot with 6 engines is positioned as an open research platform. It can squat, overcome curbs and low obstacles as well. The question of the use of the robot remains open. According to the site, Diablo could carry a basket for 4 parcels, a propeller for flights, a lantern and camera for shooting, and the inspection of other kinds of user equipment. Now the company accepts orders from interested parties at a price of only $2,000. But the price of the ADAM robot by Rich Tech Robotics is not yet known, although it's already working in the robotic coffee shop Yummy Future, also debuted at CES 2022. Adam is a 2-armed coffee robot that stands out from the competition with an interesting design. The robot's hands move simultaneously and independent of each other, so they can juggle several things at the same time. It takes less than 30 seconds for Adam to prepare a cup of coffee, and the robot can work for 24 hours without a break, requiring only 1 or 2 hours of maintenance per day. RoboCoffee offers over 1,000 different beverage combinations and includes cupboards for confectionery. According to the developers, the robot is fully autonomous, accurate, and intellectualized, but also supports cloud technologies, artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and the possibility of upgrading via wireless networks. The Dallara AV21 did not debut this year, but was upgraded a month ago, allowing it to set a new speed record for self-driving cars, accelerating to a whopping 309 kilometers per hour. The drone is built on the chassis of the Indy Lights car and is equipped with a 2-liter AER P63 turbocharger with a yield of about 450 horsepower. This box is a semi-automatic Ricardo. The main difference from the conventional monoclass machines is the presence of a powerful computing platform and a set of sensors for orientation in space. The machine is equipped with steering control Shafir space drive, 3 LiDARs, 6 cameras, radar detectors, and inertial meters. For real-time computing, the AV21 uses an artificial intelligence controller. Robauco is developed for the Indy Autonomous Challenge and Robo Race. Retriever Assistant home robots from Labrador Systems were also introduced at CES 2022 for the first time. They don't look as impressive as humanoid and bio-inspired robots, but are characterized by practicality and functionality. The Retriever and Caddy AMR standalone robots, each with a capacity of 11 kilograms, can move around the house on their own, helping the host carry heavy loads and delivering items with them. At the same time, the Retriever can adjust its height from 60 to 96 centimeters and assemble from tables specially designed trays. The Caddy height of 76 centimeters does not have such a possibility. Robots can be called through the tablet, and they can also interact with other smart appliances. Which robot did you like the most? Let us know down below. Hey, and while you're here, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and don't miss any new episodes from the world of high tech.